intro song. Comedy time, come on, grab your friends. We go to very funny lands with Valerie and Bruno the ukulele. The laughs will never end. It's comedy time. Hi. So, this is not a super topical song, but it's a song I wrote maybe a few months ago. I'd lived in Seattle for over a year, and I felt like I got the rights to make a song about living in Seattle. So it's called Seattle Rain. And I feel like I'm holding up my ukulele very high so you can see it. So if it looks awkward, like I'm a baby T-Rex playing a ukulele, which is a song I wrote and will play at some other point, it's because I do feel very awkward and hunched. But I want you to see the beauty that is Bruno. Bruno's how I call my ukulele, just in case you didn't know. Seattle Rain. Also again a 4-chord song. I really love my dog and walking her at Alki Beach, but I don't get why she has to be on a leash. And it gets worse, you know it really ruins my day, that I can't bring my dog into a cat cafe. I thought living in Seattle would at least have this perk, but apparently I can't wear outerwear to work. Activewear to work. That was the wrong note I made. Ha. You find me on Tinder, don't assume what I'm like. I say I love the outdoors, but don't frickin' take me on a hike. Sure, we have beer and we have weed, but is it all organic? Because that is what I need. Oh, Seattle, you're such a pain. Easy to be evergreen when all you do is rain. Seattle rain, Seattle rain. Easy to be evergreen if all you do is rain. I just wish the weather was everything it's not. Yesterday was too cold, today is too hot. Life in Seattle is so difficult, you see. Amazon is right here, where's my next day delivery? You don't make friends here, didn't you know? So why do I have to talk when shopping at Trader Joe's? Sometimes I really think I should just move away. Some breweries only have like 8 different types of IPA. Sure, we have beer and we have wheat. Is it all organic? Because that is what I need. Oh, Seattle is such a pain. Easy to be evergreen if all you do is rain. Seattle rain, Seattle rain. Easy to be evergreen if all you do is rain. Seattle rain, Seattle rain. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back. Maybe. I don't know. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane. Please wash your hands. Please social distance. Wear a mask. But not the medical kind, because those are for medical people. I don't know what else to say. Thank you so much.